Which place is this? Hollywood sign. In which country the Hollywood sign found? Mount Lee, California, USA. Which place is this? Eiffel Tower. In which country the Eiffel Tower found? Paris. Which place is this? The Great Pyramid of Giza. In which country the Great Pyramid of Giza found? Egypt. Which place is this? Sagrada Familia Barcelona. In which country the Sagrada Familia Barcelona found? Spain. Which place is this? Berlin Wall, East Side Gallery. In which country the Berlin Wall, East Side Gallery found? Friedrichshain-Kreuzberg. Which place is this? Mount Fuji. In which country the Mount Fuji found? Japan. Which place is this? Grand Palace of Bangkok. In which country the Grand Palace of Bangkok found? Thailand.